This old tractor here at this place. Massey Ferguson, 65. There are these two latches to keep it locked or unlocked. Guessing that's the old gas compartment. And now locks. It's not openable. And then up here, we have this little run spot. Changer. See the old gears, the speedometer. They might still turn if they weren't all rusted and corroded. Spongy seat is opened up, and it is just bare metal now from rusting. Rust is eating it alive. So up here, I'm gonna sit here. Right there's the gas. Or yeah, right there is the gas. Or no, over here is. I think. Yeah, I think right here.
Holy shit!
And up here.
I don't think that chair goes out.
It's here.
So right here is the co. And right here is right here is the brake. And here's the go. And then you would turn it that. So
I used to when I was braver and stupider. I would have my legs up there without even hanging on, and I would just be like swinging.
yeah.
But nowadays,
Then there's this little turn down thing. So there's the Massey Ferguson 65 tractor. This is amazing.